So you've created your company's website using WordPress and uploaded all your content. Great, so that's the end of it, right? Well, not quite. It's important to regularly maintain your WordPress website, otherwise you could be vulnerable to security breaches and other problems. The WordPress platform updates regularly, so it's important to always update your website to the latest version. The same goes for WordPress plugins, as out-of-date plugins can sometimes be abused by hackers to attack a website. Website maintenance also goes beyond security. By regularly optimizing your website, you can improve your page loading speeds, user experience, and SEO, as well as ensure that all the content on your website is always up to date and accurate. By creating regular backups of your files and database, you can also ensure that you don't lose everything if something happens to your website. Also, remember that website designs evolve rapidly, and therefore the way your website looks will eventually become outdated. By working on your website on a regular basis, you can keep up to date with these changes and avoid your website becoming old-fashioned. We offer a wide range of WordPress website maintenance packages at Webcertain to suit any website and budget. So speak to us if you want to ensure that your website is as up to date, secure, and well optimized as possible.